altcoin trades with huge potential returns. All right, I'm going to be showing you exactly what I'm talking about today after this disclaimer. I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. Let's get straight in. So the first one we're talking about is RenderToken, all right? Over at RenderToken.com, you can see here it's a distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. Get your email there and get onto the RNDR for updates, all right? They're rendering the metaverse. Now, a little bit about them as a leading provider of decentralized GPU-based rendering solutions. Why do you want to choose these? Because the future is being built today by hardware limitations. It should not be what keeps you from being part of the new digital resistance, okay? Rendering your fingertips with this GPU is at a fraction of the cost and speed of in-house rendering, okay? It's founded in 2016 by CEO of OTOY. Their vision is to democratize GPU cloud rendering, okay, and create a much more efficient, powerfully wild, scalable rendering solution. Guys, it's a very, very fantastic token, all right? Network scalability is fantastic. The Sleeper GPU and network is fantastic. The digital rights management and a better use of GPU power. So get involved right now. That's number one at renderingtoken.com. Let's move on to number two. Number two is Bitcoin, okay? Bitcoin is obviously the most popular of them all. Bitcoin is fantastic. Now, guys, if you don't know what Bitcoin is, I'm not sure that you should be into this channel, all right? And if you don't know what Bitcoin is, make sure you keep following this channel because you need to know what crypto is. Bitcoin actually uses a peer-to-peer technology to operate with no central authority or banks, managing all the transaction issues of Bitcoin is carried out collectively by the network, right? It's an open source designed to publicly. Nobody owns this. It was made by Satoshi Nakamoto. No one actually knows who that is, all right? So Bitcoin, of course, get involved right now. Now, if you want an introduction of how Bitcoin exactly works, all right, for a new user, all you got to do is get started with Bitcoin without understanding the technical details, okay? Just install the Bitcoin wallet on your computer or on your mobile phone. It'll generate Bitcoin address for you, and you can start getting involved with the trading, with the swapping, with the staking, everything you want, okay? Your blockchain is a shared public ledger on which the entire blockwork net relies. So guys, Bitcoin is huge. Make sure you keep investing in Bitcoin. It's going to be your biggest gains probably over time. So that's number two. Let's move on to number three. Cardano is number three. It's fantastic. It's always been fantastic. All right. It's a blockchain platform for change makers, innovators, and visionaries with the tools of technology required to create possibly for many, and as well as the few, bring out positive global change. Now, guys, I want to say to you, the proof of stake blockchain platform in Cardano is the first to be founded on peer-reviewed search, developed through evidence-based methods. It combines pioneering technologies, providing unparalleled security and sustainability to decentralized applications, systems, societies, and with a lean team of engineers, it actually exists to redistribute power from uncountable structures in the margin. So you can define your possible change to your world with Cardano, right? It's the first blockchain platform to be built through the peer-reviewed research. This is for the people. Purpose is fantastic. The research is next to none. The technology they're using here is just unheard of. And the opportunity is fantastic, guys. So Cardano's number three. Get involved right now. There you go, guys. Thank you so much. All right. Do me a huge favor. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell if you want to be notified. And I'm going to see you next time.